viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. Top headlines for today are STPI to add new centers of excellence. Zip Electric launches EV services in Hyderabad. Zomato to switch to EV for all its vehicles by 2030. Before I proceed with today's news, I request our viewers to take necessary precautions as the battle against COVID-19 is not over yet. Always wear a mask, wash your hands frequently, step out if needed and maintain social distancing. Remember, this is the time we fight the virus together. News for today are: in order to nurture small firms and startups, the Software Technology Parks of India will establish new centers of excellence to build products and solutions in the areas of health tech, IoT and smart agriculture. Electric vehicle startup Zip Electric has launched its services in Hyderabad. The operations have been started with 100 EV bikers and it is the first city for Zip Electric for Southern India operations. International restaurant aggregator Zomato will join the global initiative of companies committed to switching their vehicles to electric vehicles by 2030 called EV100. Zomato has committed to the full transition of its fleet by 2030. Major tech companies have planned massive vaccination drives for the frontline workers. Companies such as Amazon, Swiggy, Flipkart, Zomato have already announced the free vaccination drive for the frontline workers. The central public sector enterprises across ministries have started the financial year 2022 procurement of goods from micro and small enterprises with a cumulative 27.65% share for April, May and first week of June in the overall purchase. The annual procurement target for government buyers from MSEs is 25% for their total purchase. Tata Sons may build up and refresh the board in the upcoming months as some directors step down after completing their term or have reached the retirement age of 70. The appointments will include independent and trusted nominees. Sales engagement platform Outreach has raised $200 million in a funding round co-led by Premji Invest and Steadfast Capital Ventures. The funding has valued the company at $4.4 billion. Bangalore-based agri-tech startup Philo has raised Rs 3 crore from Indian Angel Network, Titan Capital and Lead Angels. The funds will be used for market expansion and research and development. Delhi-based mental health startup Now and Me has raised $1 million in a seed funding round led by Sama Capital and Whiteboard Capital. The funds will be used for team expansion, product development and community building efforts. In order to support growth plans, food tech startup Dalchini Technologies is planning to raise $8 million in growth capital in the upcoming 2 to 3 years. It is expecting an annual turnover rate of Rs 144 crore by the end of financial year 2022. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.